Welcome to the new Miami Beach Cinematheque. My name's Dana. I'm the director here at the Cinematheque, and we welcome you. As you see, we've expanded our facilities. You might have known the Cinematheque over on Espanola Way for 8 years, and we've worked with the Sicilian Film Festival as partners for 5 years, but we're still partners with the Sicilian Film Festival, and the director is here, and he's going to tell you all about the film festival, Emanuele Viscuso. Welcome. Welcome, Emanuele.
Okay, well, first of all, let me tell you how happy I am in this new place, which is really wonderful. Congratulations, Danny. You really did a great job. And I am happy to see all the theater filled with friends and people interested in cinema, in Italian cinema and in Sicilian cinema. Somebody asked me, what is the difference between the Italian cinema and Sicilian cinema? Since I created the Sicilian Film Festival with a precise format in my mind, I can explain this very easily. Sicilian cinema is not just part of the reduction of local reduction of the Italian cinema. It's something very enlarged because of many reasons. The first one is that the most important Italian directors are Sicilian, like Oscar winner Tornatore. The most important Italian writers that inspire directors, even not Sicilian, to make movies are Sicilian. The most important actors and stars in Hollywood, many of them are Sicilian. Sicily attracts so many from abroad coming there to shoot movies, and they're not Sicilian, but they come to Sicily and they become enlarged Sicilian.
This year we have many important news about our festival. I think this is very important for us to be guest here of the Miami Beach Cinematheque, because this is a very beautiful place now, but also the whole one was very nice, but this is a very cinema place, and we are great to Dana Kate for this.
Let's give it up for these gentlemen once again. Emanuele, Salvador. As they told you, my name is Michael Gongora. I'm a commissioner with the City of Miami Beach, and I'm here speaking for our mayor and city commission, first of all, to tell you how proud we are to have the festival in Miami Beach now for the 6th year in a row. Let's give it up again, 6 years. And I've been there, I think, from just about the beginning, each and every festival, watching the blood, sweat, and tears that goes into this. And I know that the work that goes into selecting the movies and putting the events together and the parties together and making sure that all of you in the audience have a good time. So we welcome you here to the Cinematheque. I was here last month with Dana when we did the official ribbon cutting. I'm especially proud to have this new jewel, an artistic, independent theater and art gallery right here in the heart of South Beach. I'm thrilled to have the Sicilian Film Festival, and as Emanuele always tells me, there are many famous people of Sicilian descent, not least of which are Frank Sinatra, Sylvester Stallone, Cyndi Lauper, and I'm sure I'm missing a whole bunch. No, Madonna. Really? Okay, I'm sold. I want to go to Sicily then. Well, in the words of Madonna, I'm going to be brief. Ciao, Italia. Enjoy the show.
Sábado na balada, a galera começou a dançar e passou a menina mais linda. Tomei coragem e comecei a falar. Como é que é, vai? Nossa, nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego. pego, ai, ai, se eu te pego, tema.
I love to attend the Sicilian Film Festival. I have attended a few years already. They always have wonderful films, wonderful directors, and the movies like the one last night, L'Uomo di Vetro, it was fantastic. The actor, the director, and also Roberto Damiani, his documentary was wonderful. And tonight I am attending another special evening about food.
I love Italy. I even love Sicily better. I was in Sicily a few times and I loved everything I saw. And Italians and French, I'm of French descent, and Italians and French have something in common. They love food and they love to company and they love to get together. I thought French love food, but I think Italians love it better. The Sicilian Film Festival is in its 6th year, and I have been attending each and every event. I even was at La Mostra in last year in Venice, and I'm here, member of the jury, and I've seen a few very good movies, and I hope you come next year. Thank you.
And I am of Sicilian heritage, and I'm here at the Miami Sicilian Film Festival, and we're having a wonderful time seeing some wonderful films, and I've just enjoyed everyone. And tonight is really something special that we'll be seeing and hearing about Sicilian recipes, and we will see a film, the latest film by Tornatore, and I am here with my cousin, and we are very much looking forward to it.
Hi, I'm Liz Valenza, and I'm here for the Sicilian Film Festival, which has been incredible, and the food has been delicioso. Everything has been marvelous, been put together by a fabulous art director, and its beginnings, of course, came from Emanuele Viscuso, and it has been just fantastico. I've enjoyed it so much. I live here in Miami, and having been in Sicily this year, my family insisted that I see the Sicilian Film Festival. How dare I not go at all? So here I am, and I've been having a fabulous time.
Siccome che vengo dall'Australia e l'impressione di vedere il Sicilian Film Festival mi ha fatto andare molti anni indietro, perché anch'io sono proprio vicino della Sicilia, mi ha fatto una grande impressione. La gente sono molte ospitate qua, ti fanno welcome di qualsiasi cosa, e sono trovato molto bene di questo Sicilian Film Festival.
I saw it last year for the first time. The Sicilian Film Festival this year has been great. I've enjoyed all the films, and especially the documentaries that have been very interesting. I'm looking forward to tonight.
Mi piace tanto che si promuove a Miami la cultura siciliana, la nostra, la mia. Io sono italo-americana, però ho i radici lì e sono ancora radicata lì e mi piace tanto venire a vedere tutte queste belle cose. Stasera si farà, si mangia, no? Stasera si mangia, si assaggia un po' della Sicilia, la mia bella Sicilia e la mia bella Palermo.
Now the next event is a conference of Laura Deli Colli. Laura Deli Colli here, president of Nastri d'Argento Award in Italy, but also writer and journalist and president of the Order of Journalists for Cinema.
You know how many kitchens have been described in films, how many secrets, how many intimate family moments have had a stove as a set. I think to Julia and Julie last year, or to many and many films, not only Italian film. And then you see one of the most important scenes in Italian cinema and in Italian relationship with food.
Would you like to say something for the Sicilian Film Festival? Signora Stark, vorrebbe dirci qualcosa per il Sicilian Film Festival?
Well, I met Emmanuel when he first came to Miami Beach, and he's made a big impact on the Miami Beach community. And we have a lot of Italians living here, and they love Miami Beach. Come visit, and visit Emmanuel. And, we wish you luck with your film festival.
Un secolo di vicende, di una vicenda che ha interessato il mondo, perché la vicenda Ducrot delle navi, del Rex, degli idrovolanti, dei mobili più belli mai fatti al mondo, del design che ha ispirato la stessa Miami, il Deco, eccetera, aveva origini ed era centrato in una città come Palermo. Quindi ci siamo sentiti, come dire, quasi in dovere di essere, facendo anche uno sforzo importante come produzione, di essere qui e comunicare oltreoceano questa esperienza culturale.
Credo che sia nato dal desiderio di parlare di gente semplice, di personaggi genuini, anzi ritrovare proprio personaggi genuini di una volta. Chissà perché quando ho pensato a questo soggetto l'ho visto in bianco e nero, proprio per dare risalto alla semplicità di quei costumi, di quei valori che un po' si sono persi, alla quasi impossibilità di ritrovare oggi certe figure, certe persone. È stato girato nei luoghi suggestivi del piccolo paese al centro della Sicilia che è Calascibetta. Si sa, il cinema indipendente ha la vita difficile e quindi facciamo del nostro meglio. Abbiamo messo soprattutto tanta passione.
Non ti andrai a fare pallone amoroso, no te ignora, no t'indora, no girando. Delle belle turbando il riposo, nare cisetto adoncino d'amore. Delle belle turbando il riposo, nare cisetto adoncino d'amore.
Sono Penny Carrega e ho apprezzato moltissimo il Sicilian Film Festival, che è stato molto divertente. Abbiamo visto diversi film estremamente interessanti e poi questa serata finale è una cosa stupenda, bellissima, un posto veramente unico.
Oh, the Sicilian Film Festival is wonderful. It follows on the good old time Settimana di Cinema Italiana. There are some beautiful documentaries about the Aioli Islands, but beautiful, and that brought everything together, talking about Caro Diario and all the other movies that linked the film industry to the Aioli Islands, which are not very well known in the U.S.
Hello, I'm Tiffany Pagana, director of the 50 Plus program at Barry University here in Miami Shores. And I am also a member of the Executive Board of Directors of the Sicilian Film Festival here in Miami Beach, along with my partner Manuela Viscuso and my partners Salvo Bitonti. I'm very, very happy to say that this year's festival was just fantastic, as all of the 6 years of the Sicilian Film Festival.
Thank you. I am a Cuban singer, I am an opera singer. I am very proud about this Sicilian festival. It's a beautiful festival, a beautiful cinema, beautiful people here from Sicilia. And I will sing this night something for my friends here from Sicilia.
Amy Solis, I'm really happy to have met the Sicilian family here. This is a beautiful, beautiful festival. We have attended the opening, we have attended some of the films, and we are here tonight. So he's gonna perform an opera aria from Mozart, maybe something from Puccini, and then we're enjoying it. Hopefully next year it's gonna be on again.
My name is Robert Loprado, and I'm honored to be here. I think the Sicilian Festival is a great thing, and I'm proud to be a part of the festival.
Hi, I'm Al. My parents came from Messina in Italy, and I'm very proud of my heritage. And this is a wonderful program that we have here at Barry University for all of us who are over 50.
Molto simpatico, molto interessante, molto felici di poter essere qui per questa festa e spero quest'altra di ritornare.
Ciao, sono Marcella Di Santo, siamo qua a Miami Beach, beautiful day, and the Sicilian Film Festival, fantastic. Everybody should come next year and join in.
Ho visto un film bellissimo, Baria, un film molto bello, lo volevo dedicare alla mia amica Teresa Epstein, che è una meraviglia, dolce come il film, anche di più. E uno di quei film che ci prendono così all'improvviso e non ci dimentichiamo, non ce lo aspettavamo, per cui è stato bellissimo da vedere.
we have also to say something. Over the movies, we gave 2 awards. One Lifetime Achievement Award to Claudia Cardinale and a special award to Beppe Fiorello. They are not here. They were supposed to come still last minute. We never know if they really make it or not. But we had great people here, like Franco Nero, for example, 2 times. So we are going to meet both Claudia Cardinale and Beppe Fiorello in Cannes and in Venice. And we're going to give this award them in Venice or in Cannes.
Sempre ben accetto, che c'è scritto Sicilian Film Festival Giuseppe Fiorello. Sì, sono molto felice di questo premio, è un riconoscimento e come tutti i riconoscimenti non può che aiutarti a crescere e a farti capire che non stai scherzando, che racconti delle storie che arrivano al cuore delle persone e quindi è un mestiere serio il nostro, non è solo intrattenimento, almeno quello che faccio io lo faccio sempre con l'idea non solo di intrattenere, ma di raccontare storie che hanno in qualche modo a che fare con l'impegno civile, con l'impegno sociale o con personaggi storici, ma devono avere qualcosa al di là dell'intrattenimento, qualcos'altro. Se ho un sogno americano ce l'ho, fare un film italiano che possa andare in America, quello, ma non farei mai un film americano, ma che mi chiameranno mai, quindi vorrei approdare là con un film nostro.
We have an audience award to The Trick in the Sheet by Alfonso Arau. L'imbroglio nel lenzuolo.
Oh, scappavo tutte le casche
Parlatemi di voi, del vostro lavoro. Il cinema.
Avete visto? È un prodigio. Mamma, stanno impazzendo tutti con cinematografo in città.
Ma che lavoro è? Non ha futuro.
Guardate che femmina, mamma mia, e chi ha visto mai tutta questa roba? Gira, gira! Immaginate il titolo, La casta Susanna. Che si fa il bagno nudo con le zizze da fuori.
Una povera innocente che si lava, la casta Susanna.
Piano. Va bene così? Che fai? Riprendi.
E il tuo nome è sulla bocca di tutti ormai. E perché?
Dicono che tu ti spogli nuda sopra un lenzuolo.
Ma che state dicendo?
È Susanna, la casta Susanna!
Sì, la Susanna della film, è lei, Susanna! Ma vi state sbagliando tutti quanti! Ma che volete mia?
La casta Susanna, no? Il nostro capolavoro! Bravissima! E ziz! Come, scusate? Voglio avere ziz!
Best Actress Isabella Aragonese and Valeria Solarino for The Sea Parker.
Entro la fine dell'anno vi sposate.
Non ha lui che voglia.
E chi è che vuoi, Centemo?
Sara. No, è vero! No, è vero!
Tu questa strada e questa casa te la devi dimenticare.
E non è come te.
Era più contenta di sapere la bottana che mezzo mascolo.
Mi sono sbagliata io. Vi siete sbagliata voi.
Ti fai mascolo e prendi il posto mio. Io a te come ti devo chiamare? Angelo o Angela?
Io questi vestiti tutta la vita me li tengo e stiamo insieme. Tutta la vita.
Best Actor Davide Coco for Man of Glass.
Quale posto?
Ti prendi la mia, non ti preoccupare, non ti lascio a piedi.
Ma veramente mi serve la macchina? No, poi devo andare a prendere Anna, non se ne fa niente, mi dispiace.
Leo, ce lo fai sto favore, sì o no,
Best Short Film, Rita by Grassadonia and Piazza.
Possiamo andarci appena finiamo. Solo per informarci. Il corso inizia la prossima settimana.
Solo la piscina ci manca.
Dove imparare a nuotare.
Non ti basta tutta la ginnastica che fai a scuola.
Best Documentary, miglior documentario, Return to the Aeolian Islands by Giovanna Taviani. Best Film, Baria by Giuseppe Tornatore.
I'm very honored to be here tonight because it's 6th year. It's a milestone for Sicilian Film Festival. We have to help to get this going on in a bigger way, and I really appreciate that here tonight it's people from Sicily that with their special work what they're doing, they make our region, country beautiful and known everywhere in the world. So e quindi sono qui on behalf of the administration of a town called Carini. A lot of people don't know, but for me it's a big town because I was born there. Quindi on behalf of the administration I want to present to you some awards of the Sicilian Film Festival because they really appreciate what you're doing for, like I say, our own people. I want to present to you on behalf of the Carini administration, the mayor.
Should I help you?
Yes, thank you. Pino Agrusa and the commissioner of the culture, l'assessore alla cultura, Enzo Marciano, with this nice, beautiful artwork, which is represent our symbol, our castle, which is made special for you, on the appreciation of your job. And we wish, you really have a strength to keep on doing what you're doing, guys, and we really want to.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the chill the autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell.